Hi students, welcome to our online English lecture. Students, we all know that Maharashtra State Board has introduced new syllabus of English for standard 12th and that due to this lockdown, our textbooks have not been printed yet and not available at present. But still, we do have PDFs in our mobile as well as our PCs. So let us begin with the introduction of this textbook. Standard 12th English Yuvak Bharti is a complete and thorough textbook which develops students' communication skills and also boosts their confidence. This book is also designed to develop various skills in the students. The skills like listening skills, speaking skills, reading skills, writing skills, study skills, and also language study or vocabulary. Now let us begin with the contents of the textbook. The first section in our textbook is prose section. Here you can see that there are 8 chapters in the prose section. Let us begin with the first one, that is An Astrologer's Day by R.K. Narayan. Second one, On Saying Please by Alfred George Gardiner. Third chapter is The Cop and the Anthem by O. Henry. Fourth chapter, Big Data, Big Insights, wherein we do not have the name of the author. Fifth chapter, The New Dress by Virginia Woolf. Sixth one, Into the Wild by Kiran Purandare. Seventh chapter, Why We Travel by Siddharth Pico Raghavan Iyer. The eighth chapter is Voyaging Towards Excellence by Achyut Godbole. Section 2 is Poetry section. In that, first poem is Song of the Open Road by Walt Whitman. Second, Indian Weavers by Sarojini Naidu. Third poem is The Inchcape Rock by Robert Southey. Fourth is Have You Earned Your Tomorrow by Edgar Guest. Fifth poem is Father Returning Home by Dilip Chitre. Sixth poem is Money by William H. Davis. Seventh poem is She Walks in Beauty, George Gordon Byron. Eighth poem is Small Towns and Rivers by Mamang Dai. Section 3 is all about writing skills, wherein we have 6 chapters. In that, first one is summary writing. Second one is Do Schools Really Kill Creativity, which belongs to mind mapping. The third one is note making. Fourth one, statement of purpose. Fifth one, drafting a virtual message. And sixth is group discussion. In section 4, we are going to deal with genre drama. In that, first one is History of Novel. Second one is To Serve with Love by E.R. Braithwaite. Third one is Around the World in 80 Days by Jules Gabriel Verne. And fourth one is The Sign of 4 by Sir Arthur Ignatius Conan Doyle. So that's all about the textbook. In the further lecture, we will deal with the chapters in detail. Thank you.